Samsung just released the Galaxy A series. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung launched A series devices yesterday, but have you seen Galaxy A73 anywhere in the launch? Well, Samsung just gave the mainstream to Galaxy A53 and A33 and didn't even focus on Galaxy A73 in the launch, and Samsung did a really bad thing with Galaxy A73. As you guys know that Samsung Galaxy A73 is an upper mid-range smartphone which is obviously better than the Galaxy A53. But Samsung didn't even mention the Galaxy A73 in the launch event, but Samsung Galaxy A73 was silently appeared on the company's official website. But a sad news for people who are looking to get Galaxy A73 that Samsung will launch Galaxy A73 in selected markets. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy A73 or A53, which one would you prefer? Samsung didn't mention the Galaxy A73 maybe because Samsung only want to launch in selected markets, and Samsung also didn't disclose the official pricing of Galaxy A73. As of rumors, Galaxy A73 will cost around $550 to $599. There could be another reason why Samsung didn't even mention the A73 in the launch event, because A73 looks exactly the same like the Galaxy A53 but a few inches bigger. Samsung Galaxy A73 is not available in the markets right now, and there could be a reason of supply chain issue or anything else. But Samsung also not getting the pre-orders of the Galaxy A73. I've checked Samsung's official website and there is no Galaxy A73 available. So according to Samsung, Galaxy A73 will be available in the markets from 22nd of April. Like seriously? More than a month to be available in the markets? Although Samsung Galaxy A73 is more powerful than the other two devices Samsung launched yesterday. Samsung Galaxy A73 comes with Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, which will definitely be more powerful than the Galaxy A53 Exynos 1280. Samsung Galaxy A73 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED 120Hz Infinity O display, comes with two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 256GB, and yes, it will come with the expandable storage and you can use up to 1TB of SD card in it. Samsung this time dished the telephoto lens on Galaxy A73. Samsung Galaxy A73 comes with 4 lenses on the back. 108MP main lens, 12MP ultra wide, 5MP macro and 5MP depth. Samsung is going to give these devices 4 years of software update and 5 years security updates, which is a really big deal with the mid-range smartphones. Let's see which market is going to get Samsung Galaxy A73. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy A73 or A53, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.